Hey guys, so in this lesson, basically, I learned about class and static variables in Python. So essentially, a class variable is variable that you define within a body of a Python class, and an instance variable are the variables you define within a method um, of a Python um, method definition. So, so this is a Python class, and within that we have stream, which is defined in a body. So that is a class variable. All right. So, and then we have in a method we have this instance variables. So you can always tell it has a self dot. So that seems to be it. So here we have two objects, okay, or two instances. So we have geek, which will then go into this name there, all right, and then one will go into role. So these basically have two objects, and from the object A you can call stream, which is a class variable, and that will give you this value CSE. And also you can access the same object from another, the same instance variable from another object B. But here we have A. All right, so A in this case is an instance variable, which we are calling an instance variable on. So that gives us two separate, different values basically. So also, like I expected, you can call a class variable directly on a class without creating an object first. So this is the class, so we basically just say CSS student.stream, and it gives us the output that we want. So kind of behaved as I expected. So go ahead and read this documentation for yourself and get familiar between a class variable and an instance variable. And yeah, that was it really. The interesting thing is you can call a class variable from an instance, But I have this very simple three questions as a way of revising this. So check it out yourself. And that was it really for static and instance variables. See you guys in the next exploring. Bye.